Welcome to the future of housing. Today, we're stepping inside a stunning, modern prefab house that redefines affordable luxury. As we walk through the front door, you're immediately greeted by a bright, open concept design that maximizes every inch of space. To the right, we have the first cozy bedroom. With large windows and a minimalist layout, it's the perfect serene escape. Moving along, the second bedroom offers just as much comfort, making this modular home perfect for small families or guests. Now, look at this space-saving bathroom. Clean lines, modern fixtures, and a sleek glass partition deliver a high-end hotel feel. But here is the real showstopper. A beautiful kitchen equipped with a gorgeous marble accented breakfast bar and ample smart storage. From top to bottom, this prefab home proves that compact living doesn't mean sacrificing style. Would you live here? Let us know below.